So this trade on GBP right here, a 1 to 13 risk reward ratio, just hit take profit right here. Just amazing, right? Now let me show you what happened before all this right here. You can see that this was the signal I sent yesterday. You can see what we had here was we had actually two levels. We had this zone right here and another zone at this level right here. So I was contemplating, should I wait for the market to come here or the market is going to respond to this level? So at some point I realized the market had already taken out this zone right here by the market coming here, meaning this is no longer valid. The next valid zone was this one right here. So what I do? I got this rally base drop with a broke of structure to the downside, liquidity right here. I just waited for the market to pull back into this area. And what look at this. The market took out the Asian high first. So after the high was taken out, you can see the market had to actually reject nicely. And I was able to share this trade right here with a 10 pip stop loss and 119 pips target. About an hour later, we can see that the market ended up dropping in our direction with a beautiful momentum during London session, and that was really really cool. We're able to ask it to go break even at this level right here, and then the market continued to beautifully drop in our direction with absolutely big momentum. Music, absolutely amazing. And guess what? The market has finally come to our take profit that we had predefined in right here. Just amazing, amazing stuff right here. Now let's go back to the chart, right? Let's go to the higher time frame so that we can understand why I actually decided to go for this particular trade right here. So overall trend, bearish. You can see that the market has been pushing to the downside on the 4-hour time frame recently. Okay, so I was looking to actually take advantage of that. And then this is on the 4-hour time frame, pretty clear. And like I always say, whenever we have these big candles like this, they always leave a story behind. There's always something behind those movements right here. You and I cannot cause such movement. Only the smart money can. And guess what? They cannot take all their orders at once. And that's the reason why we have to wait for the market to come back to our POI so that we can execute. And that's what happened. The market literally just gave us a nice rally base drop. All we had to do was just wait for the market to come back to this level and then we execute to the downside. And that's all we did. It was a perfect A plus setup right here. Just amazing. Absolutely amazing of a trade right here. Beautiful, a bit of a retracement here, but after that we saw the market just melting to the downside like butter. So that's how it is. Nothing much to it, just a simple A plus textbook setup right here. And yeah, really, for my other block, let me show you. I'll go to the lower time frame. Very clean, very simple. All I had to do is just get the high and the low of this last candle right here, and then all I had to do was just wait for the market to pull back into my zone. And so what happened? The market came here, we rejected several times, then we fell all the way to our take profit. All I had to do was just identify my setup, wait for my confirmation, execute. And for you not to miss the next trade, make sure you check the link down in the description and get our signals if you're interested in that. And if you'd like to learn the real skill of trading so that you're able to do this on your own, guess what? There'll be a link down in the description for MNF Mastery course. Get to that link and get yourself this skill right here. All right, so you guys, cheers.